Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Holborn House. That's the building being constructed straight ahead on the right. Giving you guys an update on what's going on with the building. This is going to be a 8-story building. It's located on Holborn Road and Dumfries Avenue. We're on Dumfries Avenue now. And we're just giving you guys an update on how far they have reached with the building. We had done a list recently of the major commercial buildings that are being constructed in Kingston, and this is one on the list. You actually have a lot of construction going on. You have One Belmont in New Kingston, 9 floors. JMB is building one in Ligony, 4 floors. Burrito is building a 9-story building in New Kingston. Musney is building a 10-story building in Halfway Tree. You have a 6-story one going up on Haining Road. These are all commercial buildings. This one we're looking at now is Holborn House, which is 8 stories, 8 floors. You have the Ascent, which is 27, but that's going to be a mix between commercial and residential. You have a commercial one going up at 30 Hope Road, which is 4 floors. Lady Musgrave Road, you have a 5-floor building. And then First Rock just announced a 9-story building on Brompton Avenue off Lady Musgrave Road. And then Norbrook Equity announced they're building a 10-story building at 109 Old Hope Road. And then you have a 20-story building going up on West Kings House Road, although I'm not sure if that one is straight commercial or is a mix with residential. But this one we're looking at is commercial. The first couple floors are going to be the parking area, and then you have the commercial office space above it. So we're going to try and give you guys an update on all the buildings we talk about, whether residential, commercial, or hotels, every 2 weeks. So this one looks like it has some way to go. Yeah, I was looking to see if I had the specs on the building, but we did it in a previous video. So as you know, the construction industry in Jamaica is booming. Oh my gosh, I've never seen so much construction going on at any one time. I mean, these are just commercial buildings. We have not even started to discuss the residential or the hotels. So I must say, things are progressing very nicely in Jamaica. And the other day, the government announced a $1 trillion budget. $1 trillion. And no new taxes to fund the budget. So that's very good. And you have to remember that when, let's say, you buy an apartment, you pay the government not land tax, transfer duty and stamp transfer tax and stamp duty. So the government makes a lot of money off of these buildings you see here. A lot. And when you rent out office space, the rent includes GCT. So, well, commercial rent, I think. But I know when the property is being sold, you have to pay transfer tax and stamp duty. And it's a percentage of the value of the property. It's not fixed. So the government makes a lot of money off these buildings that are being constructed. So can you imagine? I think the Rogers somewhere had announced a penthouse apartment for 1.5 million US. Well, let's just work with 1 million US. So can you imagine if the government gets 5% tax just off the sale of that property, the stamp duty. And that's just one. So it works in everybody's advantage. This is a massive building, huge. It's just that we're looking at it from one angle. And if you check it out, that office space is probably rented out already, because the call center industry in Jamaica is booming. The call centers are actually building their own buildings now, the way they need so much space. Okay, here you can see a picture of what the finished building is going to look like, and a subscriber had asked us to do it, take pictures of the finished buildings, but we weren't sure if YouTube would have, because some of these pictures are copyrighted. So there you can see it's commercial floors for lease, 8 floors, elevator, obviously it must have an elevator. Basement parking, backup water supply, generator. Estimated completion. Okay, estimated completion fall 2023. I mean, this is Jamaica. We don't refer to seasons as fall or when is fall. That's something you usually see in the US. So if somebody who lives in the US can please assist us as to when fall is. But there is no way this building is going to be finished in 2023. They probably put up this sign when the building started. Because we're in what now? March? No way this building is going to be finished for people to move in by December. They haven't even put in the glass and those things yet. Of course, we're going to keep you guys updated. As we said, we're going to try and make these videos every 2 weeks. But this is a very nice building. Fall is probably what we would consider Christmas, but it's still not going to be finished by then. Alright, so that's the update on Holborn House. Okay, there is another building going up here. I don't know much about this one, but we're going to check it out, find out what's going on. But alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.